Firing a contractor can be a tricky business. While it may seem straightforward, terminating a contract incorrectly can lead to legal disputes and financial liabilities. This video will guide you through the valid reasons for firing a contractor and how to do it legally. First, let's look at some common reasons for terminating a contractor. These include poor performance, breach of contract, fraud, and lack of communication. However, it's crucial to distinguish between legitimate reasons and unavoidable delays, like weather issues or material shortages. When hiring an independent contractor, a clearly defined written agreement is essential. This contract should include specific performance requirements and termination clauses. These clauses should outline the conditions for termination, notice periods, and any financial penalties. Having these elements in place can prevent legal complications if termination becomes necessary. Now, how do you know when it's time to fire a contractor? Watch for red flags such as repeatedly missed deadlines, consistent poor work quality, or a breach of contract terms. Lack of communication is another significant issue. If your contractor isn't responding to calls or emails, it could signal deeper problems. If you decide termination is necessary, follow these steps to do it properly. First, review the contract to ensure the contractor has actually violated the terms. Then, provide written notice outlining your concerns and the reasons for termination. If applicable, offer the contractor an opportunity to remedy the situation. Document everything throughout the process. Keep records of all communications, payments, and performance issues. This documentation can protect you legally if disputes arise later. Before sending a termination notice, consider getting an expert evaluation of the project's status. This can provide an unbiased opinion and record the current condition in case of litigation. In conclusion, firing a contractor requires careful consideration and proper procedures. Always review your contract terms, provide clear communication, and document the process thoroughly. By following these best practices, you can terminate a contract legally while minimizing the risk of disputes or legal action.